compulsory NEET marks, in the K set marks. These and all concepts you learn and apply that concept, definitely you will get a seat, free seat in the NEET or KCET or mains level. Definitely will get. Okay, na? Okay. So yesterday we are discussing these sets. We already discussed about what is mean by a set. Okay, and two forms are there to represent a set: roster form and set builder form. These two we discussed there. And one more thing is there, when we are writing the set, see carefully. When we are writing the set, for example, A equal to.
So yesterday we just finished all three operations, right? Union, intersection, and defense.
No, 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 no. We started yesterday the full this one, bruh.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, that okay.
Yesterday,
Yesterday.
day before yesterday we discussed that Monday. 4.
Sir, yesterday you gave set builder form and 3 examples.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, correct only. So next to this today also we'll discuss that one only, but one small concept is there regarding these sets. That one I didn't teach only. Now I am going to teach now. So for example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One set is there. How many numbers are there in set? In this set, how many numbers are there?
6.
6.
6 numbers are there. Means,
Cardinal number, not
yes, cardinal number. N of A. It is denoted by N of A. Number of elements in A. Number of elements in A, which is called as cardinal number. Okay, na? Right side heading, please. Cardinal number. If a set A has M elements. M elements means first element, second elements, like that. M elements are there. Okay, na? Then cardinal number of A is M. It is denoted by N of A. That is N of A equal to, for this given question, N of A equal to small m is the answer. We are applying this concept in the set subsets. Subsets we are using this concept. Before only, if you learn, that is better for you. So how many ways are there to represent a set? How many ways are there?
2 ways.
2 ways are there.
Yes, sir. Roster and set builder form.
So roster form and set builder form. Yesterday we discussed about roster form and set builder form also, na?
Yes, sir.
And one
Yes.
more important question is there. That one we'll discuss and we'll go for that exercise. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write it down, please. Example 4. Write the set. One by 2, comma 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, comma 6 by 7, in set builder form. Now observe carefully. The numerator is one lesser than the denominator na here.
Yes, sir.
Observe carefully. The numerator is one lesser than the denominator, and numerator is starting from
1, sir. 1.
One.
and it is not greater than
7.
6 na. It is not greater than 6 na.
Yes, sir.
Not greater than means it is lesser than 7 also you can take, no issue at all. Okay na? So in the given set, the numerator is one lesser than the denominator, and the numerator is starting beginning from 1 and does not exceed 6. That is correct only na? So
Yes.
we are writing first to let a equal to given set, we are taking it as a 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. So a equal to set builder form I am writing now. X I am taking, one element I am taking, where x equal to how much we can take. For example, the numerator is n means the denominator will become
N plus 1.
very good, very good. And compulsory n belongs to natural numbers only. It is starting from one natural numbers only, and n in between n, one and
6.
also we can write. If you write like this na, 7 also you can write. Okay na? It is not equal to if you
Yes.
keep na 7 also you can write. Write it down, please. Write it down. Next exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. You see carefully. Which of the following are sets? Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. If it is not a set, justify your answer. What do we will give justification for that, Ra? Here, it is not well
If
defined
it is not a set.
It is not well-defined collection of
objects.
objects.
Object.
Okay, we'll see. For example, writers of most talented writers of India. We can't calculate the talent between two persons. It is not well defined. Like that, we'll write. Okay, na? The first question is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. It is a set or not?
It is a set, sir.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is a set. That's it. If yes, if you write also, they will give marks there. Yes, it is a set, but because of we can define January,
July and June.
June, and July. Okay. Is the answer. Okay, na? So no need of writing answer also. No need of writing set also. Yes, it is a set. If you write also, you will get marks. Next one is, second one is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of, one second. Most talented writers of India. What we can say?
It is not a set, sir.
Bhavana, why it is not a set?
Sir, the criterion for determining the most talented writers of India may vary from one person to another. So
Excellent.
hence it is not a set, sir.
Yes, excellent, super. Okay. So concepts you are checking. Do you have textbook, Bhavana?
Yes, sir, I am having textbooks, sir.
Your brother's textbook, huh?
No, sir, I have purchased a new one.
Okay. From college you got, no? Very good.
Yes, sir.
No, it is not a set. Not a set. Very good. Because we cannot
We cannot determine the
Hmm.
most talented writers of India.
mind talent between
One person to another.
one writer to another writer. One person to another person. Okay. Write it down, please. It is not well defined. It is not well defined. Well defined. Write it down, please. We can't calculate the talent between two persons. It is not well defined only. Next, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen in the world.
No, sir.
No,
It is not a set, sir.
it is not a set. It is not a set. Well, like that, some 6 questions are there. Other than this, you can try that questions. Okay, na? Actually, in the exam also they won't ask only. Up to now they didn't ask only. If you have any doubt, na, one second. If you have test books, go through. Okay, if you have any doubt now, you ask me in the class. If you don't have test book now, in the online NCERT 11th class test book, maths test book, like that you keep. Compulsory PDF form will come. Okay, you can do the questions. Okay, better to take from college. Already books came, you can take from college. Okay, the next
So
one.
when will we get the board material, sir? Or CBSE both?
The board material means actually they are giving now. All the books came.
So first there are 3 sets, no, sir. One is like
And one is
Narayana material.
Narayana material, Narayana competitive material will come.
Okay, that being got.
Neat material will come.
One is NCERT.
And textbooks will come.
Okay.
Textbooks will come, and study materials will come.
So we didn't get the like study materials.
Yes, you will get it now. Go and get it.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. So the second question is, you see carefully, yesterday also we discussed about this one. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One set is there. Insert the appropriate symbol. Bhavana, already you did this question, huh?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I have solved these sums, sir.
Very good, very good. Huh? Belongs to or not belongs to in blanks. The first one is 5 dash A.
5 belongs to it.
5 belongs to A.
5 is belongs to A. Okay, na? Next one is 8 is dash A.
8 does not belong to A.
8 is not there in this set, na? It is, we can say that it is does not belongs to A. Like that we can say. Okay, na? 0 dash A.
0 does not belongs to A.
Fourth one dash A. Okay, 0 does not belongs to A and this is belongs to A. Next, another two questions are there. Like this only you can do. For fifth one is 2 dash A and
2 belongs to A.
yes, yes, very good.
Does not belong.
10 does not
10
belong.
does not belong to A.
Very good. 2 belongs to A and 10 does not belongs to A. Write it down, all of you. Means that 2 is there in the set A, 2 is there in the set A, 5 is there in the set A. For example, 0 is not there, 4 is there in the set A. So it is there in the set means belongs to, otherwise not belongs to. Third question is, you did all the questions or any questions doubt is there, Bhavana?
Sir, only few questions I have doubts, sir.
Which one?
In the fifth main, sir.
Fifth main?
Fifth main, second one I have doubts, sir. Rest all the answers I have got. Sir.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Write the following sets.
In roster form.
Roster form. Roster form means first we should identify the elements, and that elements we should keep in roster form. First we should identify the elements. A equal to x. X is an integer and -3 less than x and lesser than 7. Now see here, integers means, you see, for example, this is the numbers number line. We are having 1, 2. You see here 1 point we can take it as 0.4 like that. Okay, now we should delete this rational, all rational numbers from the real number set. Okay, what we are getting here, -1, -2, like that we are getting now. These are called integers. Okay, now. So the integers between -3 and 7 we are taking -3 and 7.
Sir, is it -3 lesser than or equal to?
Yes, 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 yes. The new textbook na lesser than or equal to there. In the old textbook it is only lesser than is there. Okay. Okay. First required numbers we should write. Required numbers are
-3,
-2,
-1,
-3, -2,
-1,
-1, 0, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5, 6.
no 7, sir.
Sir, no 7, sir. It is not
Not
given. It is
7,
equal
sir.
to. It is
Very good.
lesser than or equal to 7.
Very good, very good.
Only
Yes,
6.
yes, yes, yes. It's therefore A equal to. We can write it as -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. More, these questions are easy only, and we are telling coming days subsets, these and all will come na. That time also, every day if you check mathematics na, every day 1/2 an hour if you check mathematics, definitely you can answer every question there. Now you see, Bhavana, you will get that answer of that question. Fifth one, second question, you will get answer. They are telling integers between minus 0.5 and 4.5. Over na?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer then?
Sir, it is
Hmm.
0,
Hmm.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3, and 4, sir.
Yes, yes, that is only the answer for that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's if you know what is mean by integer means, you can get that question. Okay. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Next one is third question. In the third question. C equal to X. X is a 2-digit number. Somebody mute your phone, please. 2-digit number. Such that the sum of the digits is 8. Is 8. So 2-digit numbers will start from
10.
10,
10.
where 10, 11, and so on. 16, 17, 18, and so on. 27, 26 also, 26, 27, and so on. 35,
35.
36, and so on, and so on. 99 is at last. Correct only, no?
Yes, sir.
In this, from 10 to 99, we should take all the numbers. But if you add that two numbers, now if you, for example, 16, if you take na 1 plus 6, answer is how much?
7.
7. 17, if you take na, answer is how much? 1
Eight.
plus 7, 8.
8.
We can take 17. 2-digit number whose sum is 8. If you add the 2 digits na, sum is 8, like that numbers, all numbers we can take. Okay na? For example, 26 also we can take na. 2
Yes.
plus 6 equal to 8 we will get. Okay na? Like that, all numbers first we should write. Okay, required numbers are, to get the set required numbers we are writing. What is the roster form? First we should identify the numbers regarding that set. Okay, and we should keep that all the numbers in special braces, flower brackets we should keep. Okay na? So required numbers equal to
17.
20,
17,
26.
26,
35,
35, 44,
44. 53.
53,
50,
62.
62, 71,
71. 80.
80.
very good, very good. 71 and 80 also will
80.
come. 08. 08 will come,
Not
right?
Sir, only
No, sir, it is only
it
a
is
single
not
digit
a
number, not a 2-digit number.
It is 1-digit number. 08 means, okay. Keep in mind, 08 means 1-digit number. For example, 3-digit number means compulsory. The first place should not be. For example, 3-digit number means first place should not be
0.
0.
should not be 0. Keep in mind. permutations and combinations, one chapter will come there, useful this concept. Okay, na? So I am writing C set now. So now C equal to 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62,
71.
71, 80. Write it down, please. Next one is fourth question. Write the following sets in set builder form. Fourth one. Write the following sets in set builder form. Slowly we are explaining. Anybody are there to join? That day only I said you. Please tell them to join fastly. Any your friends are there to join in Narayana? They are interested to join in Narayana. Let them join fastly. The first question is 3, 6, 9, 12. How to do this question?
X is equal to 3n, sir.
X equal to
3n.
3n.
N is n belongs
N
to
belongs to n.
Madhuri. First given set we should take it as A.
yes, sir.
Let A equal to 3, 6. Nothing will happen, right? If you write direct answer also. But if you write like this, now it is they will get some impression on you. Means that they know all the concept how to write like that. 3n, where n belongs to natural number
Natural number.
and n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this also we can write which satisfies the given condition. Any condition we can write, no issue at all. But all the elements should follow that condition. Okay. And n in between
1.
1 and
4. We like that also. Write it down. Second question is 2, 4, 8, 6.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Why do we write only first X, sir? That is right.
This element name is extra.
Okay, yes, sir.
X is like that 3n. 3 into 1, 3 into 2. Okay, na?
Just 3 times that n, yes, sir.
This letter name is X, 1x. This is other X. This is other X. This
So
is
we can even write it as like n x is equal to 3 plus n, where n is equal to 3.
3 plus n, how much you will get? N equal to 3 like that you will write.
Yes, sir. Is it possible?
We can write, but yes, you can write 3 plus 3. You can write. Okay, na? 3 plus n you will write. N equal to 3 like that you will write.
Like x is equal to 3 plus n, where n is
we can write which array which satisfies the given condition. You can write anything. Okay.
okay.
Instead of taking all the elements, only 4 elements are there here. Sometimes 10 elements will come, 20 elements will come. Instead of taking the 20 elements, we'll take one common property. The second question you see. Madhuri,
Yes, sir.
tell me answer.
Let A is equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 30.
Preeti, are you there in the class, Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Preeti, very good. Can you please tell the answer for this question?
Yes, sir.
You can, please.
Can we just tell like x is the first 5 multiples of 2? Or we can also tell
No,
10.
no, that is wrong, na, Preeti. First 5 multiple means 2, 4, 6,
Yeah.
8, 6 is not there, na?
Yes, sir.
So what we should do then?
X is 2n and n is between 1 and 5.
2 to the power n, sir.
2 power n. Preeti also saying that one only. Is the correct only, na, Preeti?
Yeah, this is correct. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, 2 power n, na, that is?
Yeah.
Yes, because of first you told about 2n.
Yes.
I told it is not correct. Then you are saying 2 power n. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, na or not?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, very good. So n compulsory belongs to natural number set only. Sometimes it will change, right? It will starting from 0. Also, then don't take natural number set like that. Okay. So and n value in between 1 and how much? 5?
5, sir.
Right. Write down, please. Next one is third one is. If you have any doubt, can you please ask me? Yeah, this only concept important in this 25, 125, and 620. Hey, Ishan Raghunanda. Hey, Ishan, are you there in the class, Ishan Raghunanda. Hey, Abhijit, are you there in the class? Abhijit. Abhijit VR. Hey, Abhijit. Okay, Abhijit is not there. Bhuvan. You tell answer for this one, Bhuvan. Bhuvan, you can say or not?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, tell me. A equal to
x comma n is equals to 5 raised to power n.
X equal to
5 raised to power n. N is not n, small n is not equal to. And 1 is equal to n.
1 is lesser than or equal to n.
And n is less than or equal to 4, sir.
4, very good. Very good. Write down fastly.
So we can even write n belongs either 1, 2, 3, or 4. Sorry.
You write. Sorry. Here.
So it won't become okay. So I think
One second. You write n belongs to natural number set like that. You write.
Okay.
Important. Only important this one in this first exercise is roster form and set builder form. That 2 examples are important. Examples only they are asking. So next another two questions are there, 5 and 6. You try that two questions. Already be completed before only. Once again, you check. If you won't get now, ask me in the class. We'll go for the next concept. Okay. Types of sets. Write down, please. Types of sets. First, the empty set. When we are discussing this about this sets concepts, at one point we will get one small thing. They are asking that they are telling that what is the set of natural numbers less than 0? They can ask na like that.
Yes, sir.
They can ask na if x square equal to 4 is there. What is the odd value of x? What is the odd value of x? They can ask na. What is the odd value of x? Odd value you won't get na x value compulsory. You will get x equal to how much you will get? Plus or minus?
Plus or minus 2.
Plus or minus 2 only we will get. Odd number we won't get only. X square equal to 4 means. Okay now. So for that reason, some conditions go over there. In that conditions, in the required set, we won't get any elements. Okay, x is odd number, which is the solution of x square equal to 4. You will get. What is the elements you will get? No elements only you will get that in that. Okay, such type of sets are called as empty sets. Empty set means what? Now we can say that in that set, no elements are there. Okay, na? In that set, no elements are there. Write it down, please. The set which does not contain contains any element is called the empty set or the null set or the void set. VOID set. It is denoted by pi or like this. In this set, no elements only there in that.
Sir, what is that, sir? Or the null set or?
It is denoted or the void set. VOID. Void set. Okay. For example, the set of natural numbers less than 1 is null set. Correct only now? And A equal to x, where x square equal to 4, x is odd, is null set. Write it down, please. Next one is singleton set.
It is a set where only one element is present.
Yes, yes. In the set, only one element. If a set A has, only one element, then it is called as singleton set. For example, A equal to x, where x is solution of x minus 5 equal to 0 is a singleton set.
Sir,
Please.
sir, in the types of set, a roster form will not be there, sir.
So roster form we can write now for this one. A equal to
5, sir.
5 is the answer. First we should find the solution of this one. What is the solution for this one?
+5.
X equal to 5. That one we should keep in the roster form. We can write in roster form. That is A equal to, we can write now like this.
Yes, sir.
First we have to find the solution of that given equation. That solution we can keep in this one. A roster form we can keep. Next one, write it fast. Null set important. Definition is important for null set. Singleton set not important. But once we check.
So wait, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, done, sir.
Sai,
Yes, sir.
which campus you are? Sai. Okay. Write down. Next one is finite set. What is mean by finite set? Finite set means that in that set finite number of elements. Okay, then it is called a finite set. Thus, a set which is empty also finite set only. Empty or consist of finite elements is called finite set. For example, A equal to x, x belongs to integers z, and x in between -1 and 10 is finite set. We can write roster form of also this one. That is nothing but -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, this lesser than or equal to, only lesser than, will play very good role in the competitive examination level questions. Okay, now see carefully. It is lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to, like thing. Roster form and set builder form is important for KCET, and subsets concept is important. Okay, I will tell now. Here only you write otherwise the set is infinite. Okay, na? And A equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on is the example of
Infinite set.
infinite set. You take this set as B equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on to infinity is the example of infinite set. Write it fast, please. Next one is equal sets.
Finite set in the sense like correct, like not many numbers, isn't it, sir? Like
Yes. Only we can define the numbers. We can define the how many numbers are there in that, like that we can say.
yes, sir.
N of S is possibility is there. Okay. Equal sets. If A comma B are two sets, what is mean by A equal to B? If every element
N
of
A is equal to N of B.
A is equal
right,
to
The
right.
elements of A should be present in the.
N of A is equal to N of B, and every element of A is in
N of A equal to N of B, then A equal to B, ra? Nitin?
No, sir. If A equal to B, then N of A equal to N of B.
If A equal to B, that implies N of A equal to N of B.
Yes.
If you see carefully, for example, 3, 4, 5 is there in this one, A, and B equal to 1, 2, 3 is there. N of A equal to 3 here, and N of B also 3 here. How they will equal? These two are not equal only, na? We can't say N of A equal to N of B, then A equal to B, we can't say. If A equal to B, compulsory N of A equal to N of B. That one we can say. Okay. Listen here. Subsets and this equal set will get confusion over there. Okay. If every element of A also an element of B, every element of B is also an element of A, then A and B are said to be equal. Denoted by A equal to B. Okay, for example, A equal to ABC, B equal to BAC are equal. That is, irrespective of their places. If all the elements of A they're in B, all the elements of B they're in A, then they are equal. One small note over here. If A equal to B, it implies N of A compulsory equal to N of. Write it down, please. So students, listen here. This is about today class. In the today class, what we discussed? We discussed roster form and set builder form again for the yesterday's concept. We did some questions over there. After that, types of sets only we discussed. Okay, what types we discussed? Null set. Okay, na? Null set. You see, in the second exercise, how they will ask, it is null set or not? It is finite set or not? It is singleton set or not? Okay, now if the given things are equal sets or not, these four conditions they will ask. Null set, finite or infinite, equal set, singleton set, these four conditions they will ask. Okay, now tomorrow we'll complete that exercise and we'll go for the subsets concepts. Okay, thank you very much, students. And
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
When you are coming for tomorrow's class, now check these concepts and come. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.